Daniel Desrochers here with Desrochers Realty Group. We're inside of a little South Minneapolis condo that we're going to do a complete renovation project on for one of our sellers. They've moved out, they want to get it ready for sale and maximize their profit. As you can see, it's a little bit rough. There's still a little bit of stuff in here, but we've got a dated floor, dated countertops, dated appliances. We're going to redo all of that, bring in some stone countertops, some stainless steel, some nice laminate flooring. Same thing in the entry area. Same type of flooring, we're going to match them. Over here in the living room and dining area, we're going to redo all the carpet, more of a neutral color. Should really make this home brighten up a little bit. As you come up the stairs, you can see it's actually dark, but it's not because there's not lights, it's because it's so dark with the paint color and the carpet color. We do have a couple contractors up here doing a little bit of work right now, so excuse that. Upstairs, we do have 3 full bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and a nice laundry space. We are going to match the washer and dryer. Right now we've got a really nice washing machine, but kind of an older dryer, so we're going to bring in a new dryer to match the washing machine. You can see in the bathroom here even, the flooring, it's not real attractive anymore. It's kind of a dated look. So we're going to bring in new flooring in here, new light fixtures, all nice neutral paint. We're going to leave this door though. We think this is an attractive feature. No, we're going to replace the doors too. Full master suite here, walk-in closet, big 3/4 bath, little walkout. It's just going to be fabulous when we're done. Our turnaround time here, we're shooting for is about 2 weeks to get it ready for the market. Going to get it fully done, fully staged, and we'll be back to show you some of the progress. We're here on a project we're working on here in South Minneapolis. We have Angela Warner from Warner Stellians. The entire property is going to be rehabbed, but we need some new appliances. So we brought Angela in to replace the refrigerator, dishwasher, and gas stove. And then upstairs, we've got a mismatched washer and dryer. So she's going to bring in a new dryer to match the washer because the washer is a little nicer. I think we're gonna go with stainless on this, correct?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. That's what people are looking for these days. We just, something simple on the refrigerator, freezer on the top, okay?
Yep,
yeah?
absolutely.
And range with the controls on the front.
Yeah,
Has
I don't like
feel.
this on the back. I think that's kind of
No.
a dated look, so up
And
front
a simple
here.
hood above it, yeah?
Exactly.
All right.
Just keep it clean. Our buyers are probably going to be just someone that is looking for something that's fresh and clean in the city. Typically, you're finding older properties that are a little more dated. And by bringing in new appliances here with Angela, we're going to be able to update all the appliances to really make the kitchen look great.
Sounds good.
I've got Bob here. He's going to be doing all of our paint work. The house really is a lot of different colors, pretty dated looking, a lot of damage to the walls and trim and ceilings. So we're going to have Bob come in, paint everything. What color are we going to go, Bob?
I think edgecomb gray.
So a nice light gray.
Nice light gray, yep.
Excellent.
Lighten it up in here.
Excellent. Some of the trim, we have to paint some of the trim white because a little bit of it's damaged and stuff, correct?
Correct both bathrooms upstairs. I think we need to do that.
I think so. I think it's a good idea.
Yep.
I think we're going to leave all the cabinets and stuff like that. And then what are you going to do with the ceilings, Bob?
Well, there's some cracks. You need to pull the tape down, cut it out, redo it, retexture it, and paint the ceiling, I think, in the whole ceiling.
Perfect. That'll make it look like a brand new house in here for sure. Thanks,
Yep,
Bob.
I
Really
believe so.
appreciate it. We've got a condo here that's definitely in need of new flooring in the kitchen, new carpet. What are you going to do for the carpet, Devon?
We're gonna do something, get rid of the dark, put in something nice and light and neutral.
Perfect. That's what we want because there's not a lot of windows in here. So I think some nice light carpet's going to make a big difference. What about this not real attractive white and black checker vinyl floor?
For this type of style, we're gonna do some vinyl plank, go right over the top, maintenance free, perfect for water, good for kitchens and bathrooms and laundry room.
Perfect. That's what we want. Thank you.